Hey there, I'm Sharon from Painting with Acrylics 101. And if you've ever wanted to learn to paint but life got in the way, I'm hoping that this video is going to help you today. Last week, I took a 4-day virtual painting course from Eric Rhodes, that's R-H-O-A-D-S, with Streamline Publishing. It was called Acrylic Live, and it was a virtual course for 4 days, and I learned from 12 to 15 high-level professional artists on a myriad of ways to paint with acrylic paint. I want to show you some of the things that I learned and that I'm going to be using in my everyday art practice. First off, we had all sorts of, every artist had sketches and their supply list. It was extremely comprehensive. You knew what they were using, what they were painting on, what brushes they were using. It was extremely informative in all aspects. I've been teaching beginners for 10 to 12 years. And the one thing that I see that beginners skip is education. And all really good artists continually educate themselves from other artists, from other sources that they can use to improve their art. They're not just depending on it on their own. They're getting help from other people. A lot of beginners watch a few videos, try painting something, it doesn't work out well for them, and they think, oh, I have no talent, I can't do this. And that is so not true. You just don't have a path to get you from point A to point Z. And that's what one thing that I learned this past week was help watching somebody else's process to see how they paint. In that course, I learned how other artists think, how other artists struggle, and how to get out of my own head. Last year when I did Acrylic Live, which was their first year, this is the second, I was amazed at myself at how much I don't play in the paint. And that's one thing that I learned again this year is I need to play more. So I'm going to show you a few things that I did during the class. It was a lot of paint along stuff. You could paint along, and I did in some instances. Others, not so much. This was a still life painting. Is this a perfect sellable painting? Oh no, it is not. It's probably not even done. But, I mean, you can see I'm out around. My shadows aren't correct in all places, especially right in here. This thing here really bugs me, that point right there. But I learned a ton watching that person put this painting together. Was mesmerizing. Another painting I did was this. I think this might have been day one, or it might have been during Essentials Day. And so we were learning perspective on how it's darker, cooler, very little detail. It gets warmer, and in here it's even warmer and there's much more detail. Same thing with the water. It was just such a learning experience. And I love painting landscapes, you know that. Flowers and landscapes, that's my jam. Now this, this was really a learning experience. I painted it with these tools, with a paper towel, with a squeegee, and with a palette knife. No brushes were harmed in the painting of this painting. These were the tools that I used. These were the tools that the teacher used. So seeing their process was amazing, and I was thrilled at the end with this painting. And then I also learned, as I watched various artists paint, how they put on a background, or they put the background on last, they put it on in the middle. I normally put my background on first and then paint on top. Well, I did this, and I put this extremely abstract background on. Then I pulled out the colors that were in it and I used them in the flowers, only in a more saturated color. So this was lots of fun. This was and I'm not sure it's done either. I haven't signed it, but it was so much fun and so freeing to learn how to do so many different things. This is what I want beginners to understand. You're not behind. You're at the beginning of learning a skill. And this is a skill. You can learn a skill, you can practice a skill, and you can improve on a skill, but only if you do the work. And I did a boatload of work last week. I have a lot of information on this channel, Learn Beginning Painting, and there's tons of things on there. But in any art course, class, whatever, you're going to learn more the longer you're with that person and when you actually invest in your education. Yeah, I spent money. I spent a fair amount of money on last year's class and this year's class, and every penny was worth it. I learned so much. It was exhausting, but I learned so incredible much. I could not have had access to those 12 to 15 different high-level artists any other way. So was it worth it to me? Absolutely. And it will be worth it to me into the future as I use what I have learned during Acrylic Live. So if you've been feeling stuck, don't quit here. Keep going, keep learning, keep practicing, keep improving. And by all means, let's paint together soon. If you enjoyed this video, I have another one that I'm going to put right here, or maybe there, that will help you along your way to also learn more and improve your art. I want to thank you so much for being here today and for painting with me, for listening to me. And I hope that it's been helpful for you, that you'll learn a few things, you'll use it in your art, and you'll come back. So hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you'll be notified every week or every other week when I upload a new video. So have a wonderful day, and let's paint together soon.